What is up? It is Eunice Edits here, back with my first video ever on this channel. I'm sorry that this video idea is kind of like weird, I mean, everyone's done it, but this is my way of kind of doing it. I just wanted to get a video out there on my channel to kind of show what I'll be doing here. So today I will be showing you how to make a professional gaming thumbnail. So like with the outline on the gun, and this thumbnail is gonna be based on Call of Duty World War II. If we hit 5 likes on this video, I can do a Fortnite thumbnail if you want me to. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead onto File and Place Embedded at the bottom. So the first thing you want to do is go to your USB. Now that image from my gameplay, you don't want to use other people's images from Google, because you might not find what you're kind of looking for. You want to actually get the frame from the in-game. So I go to my USB here, and the PS4 files there, share, screenshots, Call of Duty World War II, and this was the screenshot I really wanted to use. So yeah, as we have the image here, so what I was thinking is kind of make the outline on the gun here. So that's what we're gonna do first. Then we're gonna add like outstanding text and the ones that really stand out and the effects on the image. This is a really good image, so what you want to do is go to polygonal lasso tool. So if you don't have this, for example, if you just open Photoshop, it might look like this. So you want to right click it and go to the second one at the bottom. So first thing you want to do is, so we're gonna make an outline on his hand and the gun. Just start cutting around it, and I'll fast forward this bit so you guys don't have to wait. Then once you're round at the end, you want to connect it. So once you connect it, it might be like a circle next to the tool. So the first thing you want to do is Control C and then Control V. Yeah, Control C and then Control V. I don't know why I said Control Z. So as you can see here, you have the outline on the weapon. Now the reason why I said for you to zoom in on it is because you get stuff like this that you don't want. You see, like, it's all going smooth, then that up bit. So I'm kind of rushing this, but like I just like doing it quick because I wanted to get this video done, finished. So maybe you want to add a satin. A satin basically means kind of like, I don't know, like a filter. I'm gonna kind of make it greenish because I think that stands out. Then you want to go to your Call of Duty World War II image and add a blur filter on it. So you want to go to blur, Gaussian blur. Now Gaussian blur just makes it like blur at the background. So yeah. Then you want to add your text, and the text needs to be something that people would like to click on. So I don't know, best gun. Then you want to hit Control T and you want to move it around. So I'm gonna put it on the top right. So if you put it here, it just won't really stand out. You want to put it like tilted on the side, and then you're gonna think of the color for it. Now the color I really like is, so basically what you need to do to get this color is go to blending options, you want to go to gradient overlay, and boom, you have that color. It's a kind of yellowish goldish. So if you didn't mess around with these settings, you might get like this, and you want to click on the gradient. So here, the box, it might be different, but the thing that I use is the one next to the blue one. So you want to click on that and click OK. Then you want to click OK, and the thing that really stands out is the outer glow, the white bit. Or maybe if you do the outer glow, you might like the black. Maybe, I don't know. You might like the black. I'm gonna get the outer glow to be white because I like the white one. It really stands out. So the white. So normal channels just do it like this, and like clickbait channels just go like that. So you want to right click on it and go to blending options again, and you want to go to the drop shadow now. So yeah, you want to click OK once you think is the right thing to do. So I might maybe put it over here at the bottom. No, I just think it's good at here. Something like this maybe. I don't know. Yeah, something like this, and you want to save the image as it is, and then you want to go to COD World War II kill streak. So maybe you have like the kill streaks here. So as you can see, like the nuke over there, they have a nuke. So this basically shows the player like that this gun is good and you can get a nuke with it. It's not clickbait. I mean, it is maybe kind of clickbait, half clickbait, but kind of not half clickbait. So then you want to go back to your image and click control, no, not control, place embedded, and then you want to go to your downloads, and then you want to go to your arrow. So once you have your arrow, you want to kind of spin it around downloads, and then you want to go to your arrows. So once you have that, you want to maybe put, I don't know, a nuke sign. So we could put a nuke sign, something not too edited, just normal like that. Save image as like this. I don't know why that thing is there, like there's a little thing over there. I might rub it out quick. See, it's easy, it's so easy, just like that. Then you just want to put it in the bottom right corner. Blending options, outer glow, stroke, no. Pattern overlay, gradient overlay, no. Drop shadow, maybe a bit of drop shadow. So you want to go maybe put it in the left corner. That is how you make a gaming thumbnail. So yeah, this is how you make a gaming thumbnail. I kind of rushed it, but this is the best I could do with me actually rushing it. So if you could just like leave your comment down below, that will be highly appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video.